The first step is to log in and enter your email and password. You will be directed to your ClassWallet dashboard, where you will see the various features available to you to spend your EANS funds. You have the ability to link your bank account and submit receipts for reimbursement. You have the ability to pay vendors for expenses not eligible for reimbursement. You have the ability to shop with integrated e-commerce partners. The first step we will show you is how to link your bank account in order to submit receipts for reimbursement. Go to the Reimbursement Step 1 tile and click Link Bank Account. You'll be asked to enter information. Just follow the prompts as indicated. Enter your account number, routing number, bank name, enter your school name here, your employer identification number, and what type of bank account it is, checking or savings. You will be requested to complete a W-9 form. And that completes the first step of the process to link your bank account. ClassWallet will make 2 deposits into your bank account, each for less than 10 cents. Wait 2 to 3 days after you've completed the first step. Then log into your bank account and find those 2 deposit transactions. Return to ClassWallet and click on Verify Account here. You're going to be asked to enter the deposit amounts and click Submit. Now your bank account has successfully been linked to ClassWallet. To submit a receipt for reimbursement, go back to your dashboard, look for the Reimbursement tile, and click Start a New Reimbursement. Enter the store name, the dollar amount, and upload the receipt. You can upload more than one at a time. Select the category the expense applies to. Review the details and click Submit. If you want to pay a service provider for a service not eligible for reimbursement, go to the Pay Vendor tile. Here you will see a listing of service providers approved by your administrator. Search for the one you're looking for. Enter the dollar amount that you want to pay, and upload an invoice quote or other paperwork that you have from that service provider. Select which category this expense is related to, and any comments that would be helpful. That completes the first step of the payment process. The order may be submitted for review by the administrator, and if approved, ClassWallet will facilitate the ACH payment to that service provider. If you would like to shop and purchase items with vendors that are integrated with ClassWallet, go to the Shopping tile and click on Start Shopping. Choose the vendor you'd like to shop from. Search for the items that you would like to buy. When you check out, the vendor sends the cart data back into ClassWallet, and you check out of the ClassWallet platform. Here, you see the items purchased. Enter the dollar amount in the Step 1 area and select which category applies, and click Submit.